How to fix TikTok video location not showing. So one of the reasons why TikTok location is not appearing when you're posting a video, right? What you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go ahead into the App Store and make sure that the TikTok app is fully updated to the last version so you can get all the new features. And probably one of the main or important issues that some people don't update their app because they would like to preserve some of the features. So please make sure that you update the app to the last version so you can get all the new features. The second reason why everyone not having the location feature, we're gonna just go ahead right here into our settings. And here we're gonna just scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see multiple apps in the last option or the last section, and you're gonna just find the TikTok. Okay, and as you can see right here, we're gonna enter the TikTok and make sure that the location section is toggled on. Okay, and make sure that the precise location is toggled on so they can get access to your location when you are posting a video on TikTok. Okay, so if you hit never, they won't have an access, and probably you won't see the location appearing until you give them access to it. So please make sure that you toggled on the location and give them access to it so you can post at any location that you want. The last reason why this is happening or the location is not showing, probably because your size of your iPhone is filled. So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna just go ahead to your, if you are using iPhone, you're gonna just go ahead to general right here in your settings, and we're gonna go ahead to iPhone storage. We're gonna wait up for a few moments, and we're gonna search right here for TikTok. Okay, and we're gonna upload the app and delete the app and reinstall it once again. This helps us free some of the space inside the TikTok, and probably you're gonna get the location feature appearing on your TikTok once you are posting a new video. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.